So let's cut along the seams where the stitching is. But yeah guys, I'm pretty excited about this steering wheel. Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. It's gonna be a quick video. You see, I thought I was gonna be able to get it done before Saturday, but here it is Friday night and I'm still not finished. So pretty much what I'm working on is a custom made steering wheel for the 94 to 04 Mustangs, the SN95s. As you can see, it has a flat bottom on it, and also the thumb stops, the thumb grips. I don't know what those are actually called, but this is literally just a steering wheel that I got from the junkyard. I have to say this, how in the world do people take off this steering wheel? Because people was telling me to use a puller. I broke the puller. I broke multiple steering wheels trying to get it off. The only way I could get this one off was I literally had to pick up a wheel from a Honda Civic, hit each side in order for it to break loose. So I don't understand how people make it so easy taking off this steering wheel. Comment down below what kind of tips you have. Some people say use your knees. Some people say use all your weight. Some people say hit it with a hammer. I use the wheel. You can kind of see this is the original wrap that goes around the steering wheel. I just pretty much cut along the seam just to get it off. That's how we got that. Also, what I did was cut along here, got a metal pipe, a straight metal pipe, welded it on each side. I don't know exactly what this stuff is called, but it's some type of putty that hardens, and it's also like a glue. That's what this is. I also have it up here as well. It's spray painted black. Originally it is white. As you can see right there, there's a little bit showing. I didn't want you to see it through the seams. But yeah guys, I'm pretty excited about this steering wheel. The only thing I got left to do is wrap it with the leather. And I have the leather right here. I'm debating on which one I want to use. I got a couple pieces right there. I'm also waiting for a reply back from a potential sponsor. I'm not sure how that's gonna work out. That's another reason why I'm not done with this yet. Some of you guys know about Chris Fix drift stang, and this is where I got that idea from. So this was just a regular V6 98 steering wheel that I end up wrapping around with leather, and it came out great. The only thing is I used the wrong thread, so it ended up breaking right there, so I had to redo it. Since I'm doing this, I might as well make it a flat bottom. I wish I could have found a tan steering wheel this color from the 98 models. The 99 to 04, the tan is a little bit lighter. It doesn't look right, so I had to settle for the charcoal up there. So with this, you'll get the charcoal color right here, and I don't want that on this one. But yeah guys, I am working to put this steering wheel on the Mach 1, but I don't know how long I will have it on there. If everything turns out well, I'm actually thinking about making it into a little small business, making custom steering wheels for you guys. I do know there are some Fox body steering wheels I can do to have the flat bottom, but far as leather wrapping, I'm pretty sure I can do the majority of the steering wheel. So Mustang, New Edge, S197, I'm pretty sure I can figure out how to do all of that. I had a subscriber earlier today ask if I can ostrich wrap their steering wheel. Yes, I will be able to do it. I feel like that would be cool to try out different stuff as well. Maybe one day whenever I actually get the tan steering wheel, because this is not finna go in the Fox body. I'm finna get a quick disconnect steering wheel for the Fox body since it's gonna be a track car. 1998 Mach 1, it's getting a flat bottom steering wheel. This might be like the little testing out stuff that I can try and do. Maybe I could try carbon fiber, forged carbon fiber, maybe a wood grain look steering wheel. I don't know. possibilities are endless. Next week, I will have this steering wheel. I also will show you the process of making one of these steering wheels as well. Tune in next week to see the process of me making this steering wheel. That video should be right here. If it's not right here, just go ahead and click on this video anyway. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.